All right, cutting the exhaust with a reciprocating saw. Oh. Yeah. Bodgy, look at that. Bird welds. Nice, very nice. Very nice. Oh, bird poo welds, eh? These gloves are good. Saving my hands from getting dirty. It's free. It's disconnected. Extractors are off. These headers are coming off, but it's not the easiest. Rusty old bolts. I'm just undoing the engine mount now. Hopefully do the other side, and then the engine's getting pretty close. I'm gonna have to get underneath and undo the back of the gearbox because I want to lift it all out as one. Mad. Yeah? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo all this tail shaft. There's a bolt there. There's some bolts at the back. I'm gonna take it off there and undo these ones. These tail shaft bolts are coming off now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get them off now. You know what tail shaft bolts are like, they're a pain in the ass because they got Loctite on them and shit. Oh, ratchet spanner would be good. Got a 14mm ratchet. 14mm. Oh, how good is ratchet spanners? They're $60 I ever spent. Just saved me 20 minutes. Hasn't started spinning yet. So glad I got ratchet spanners. Oh man. If I said how good these ratchet spanners are yet. I just got to remember, when I undo the last bolt, the tail shaft falls down. Because my mate did it. We'll line under his VL Commodore, my mate did it. And his tooth, he came down and smashed him in the tooth and his tooth snapped off. Oh, well, he wasn't the brightest spark. And the old tail shaft's off. Now I've got to get the center one off. Undo that center one and then onto that it'll fall down and then the gearbox will fall out and I'll have to get the crate because all the gearbox fluid's going to pour out the yoke. Won't be a lot, but some will come out, I'd imagine. When things work, when you've got the right tools, it's kind of fun. Working on a car, when you got the right tool. All those weekends I've gone out blowing $200 on getting booze. I wish I bought $200 worth of tools for the last 20 years. So, gearbox mounts are done now. Back one, and now I've got to get speedo cable up in there. I feel like a coal miner down here under the car. Just got all this undone. That's the cross member. I took the pan off this thing, and look, bloody leaked everywhere. Drained the gearbox fluid, undone the tail shaft thing here, undone the cross member. All that's cut. There's no reason now why the motor and gearbox shouldn't come out. So we're taking the carby off because you can't get the chain to reach over. Hopefully the carby lifts off. Oh, there we go. Carby's off now. We can get this, hopefully, to reach all the way over the back here. So we can get the crane on the damn thing. I left the gearbox selector on. More like an idiot. Right, mate. What a shitbox. There we go, eh? Empty engine bay. That's mad. It's pretty filth in there. Doesn't look like it's been out much. I think there was another, what's he over here? Another little snail. The old shell's been around the block a couple of times, eh? But yeah. We can get all this stuff out now, get all this cleaned up, get these lines out, get the brake booster off, get the fuse out, all the wiring, all the grommets. So much more room to move now. All right, we got the compressor going because I'm going to do the drop the K-frame. That was good. Chubbs and Liam just come past, said hello. I should really... That was cool, Chubbs and Liam to come past, drop off my pink dollies. Nice stitch up there, Chubbs. Yeah, no, good one, mate. They look the goods. Looks mad. Comes with like this fitting kit. Bolt kit. We'll bolt them up as soon as we get this K-frame out. So we're going to unbolt the steering rack, brake booster, stuff like that. Then we're going to undo the bolts here, keep the K-frame down, and then try and pull it out. Hopefully it'll just come straight out. This arrived from Hoon Gear. This is going to be mad in terms of working under the car and filming lots of stuff. Let me show you. There we go. There's the mount. That's cool. There we go. Got like a phone mount. That's cool. I'll be using that lots. and like a GoPro one, I believe. TV. So this thing sticks to metal. And this little mount here, undo this, comes up like this. You can put it anywhere you want. Locks in. Screw this on. We can put it anywhere when we're filming. That'll be really cool. How mad is that? It's cool as. So I can be under the car, just literally give it a yoink like that. We can put it on the side of the guard here if we want. Like that. Get some angles. That's gonna be mad. So there's the nut there. One of them and one on the other side. One here and one on the other side too. If we undo all 4 of those bolts, the whole front end should just drop down. Got to do the struts as well, obviously. Actually, I should probably do the struts first. How good is this new 3-footed monster thing? It's mad. Yeah. Pretty good, eh? Grips to anything. Mad for building cars and video and stuff. See, look up under here. It's all disgusting. All up in there, it's all gross. It's all gross under here. It's all just rough and yuck and old. Same as up in there with spider webs and yucky old. These will all be powder coated nice new black. Strut tops. There you go. Better if you got a hanging, you reckon?
Yeah, because it doesn't fall everywhere where you're trying to move all this other stuff.
Alright, we'll leave that.
When I drop it, it's gonna. Oh no, it won't drop. It won't drop because it's still connected to the struts, eh? Oh, I don't know. Steering rack. Where's the thing? Oh, that doesn't need to come off now. Don't think it does. It's not. Oh, it is connected. Yeah. Right. Well, I don't want them to drop down just yet because that won't. Well, it won't anyway because the K-frame's connected. So I'll undo this sway bar.
So what are you undoing?
I'll just check if it's reached. I'm undoing the K-frame.
Yeah, go.
We've got the Lowe Fab dollies. This is going to make it possible to move the car around without the front K-frame in the wheels and the rear diff. So that'll be really handy. Look at that Lowe Fab, mate, eh? Yeah. Special delivery down here today. Got stitched up, pink. Bloody lizards. Yeah. Do this. I'm going to do a little time lapse of putting this together, show you how easy, how awesome these are on the car. That's mad. It's on. Sick. Right, so the front end's out. It's done. Sitting on the new Lowe Fab dolly on the front. The rear tyres are coming off, rear wheels. And then we're going to get the diff out and sit on the dolly there.
Fuel tank have to come out for this? Or?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
For this?
Don't think so. They're pretty good on the Ugga Buggers, Jace.
Done it a few in me.
Done a few, eh?
Yeah.
Trips to Targa.
Yeah. Is it a loose nut?
Yeah.
All right, let's lower it.
It's a complete nut.
Mad. I had a Gemini once that sat on bump stops. Disc rear end, that's good. I've done various motors out of VLs before, but I've never taken a diff out of the back, so this is going to be a new experience. Let's get it done. Look at all this crap in the boot, mate. Shit everywhere. What's this dose pipe you said, eh? Get these shocks out. Mad.
This is shocking.
Shocking. It's shocking work, eh? Yeah, we'll get the air ratchet. We've got to undo that bolt there. That's like a brace for the diff on that side. And then another brace for the diff over there. That one over there. And then the diff should come out. Yeah, I'm not real keen for it to friggin' follow me. The black jumper. Got him. Yep, 13 mil, yep. That's his butt stinker.
You can do that.
I don't think it'll fit.
Yeah, it will. Go the other way. That's it. It's done. Got it.
Ready then? You right?
Yep. Diff's out. Got to do the other dolly up now so we can slide it under the back. Second dolly's coming together. It looks like I do no work, because I'm filming everybody do extra bits. Looks like I just stand around and do nothing.
You do.
That's bullshit, but I do everything. I do heaps, mate.